Have you ever wondered why some people excel in professional settings despite not being the smartest in the room? The answer might surprise you. It's not always about IQ or technical skills. Instead, the secret sauce to professional success often boils down to something less tangible, yet incredibly impactful: emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to identify, use, understand and manage emotions in positive ways. It's about recognizing your own emotional state and the emotional states of others. More than just a psychological concept, EQ is a practical tool that can enhance interpersonal communication, foster leadership, and promote understanding in the workplace. Imagine this scenario. Two equally skilled and knowledgeable colleagues are tasked with leading a project. However, one consistently brings the team together, resolves conflicts gracefully, and motivates everyone toward a common goal. The other, while technically adept, struggles with these aspects. The difference? Emotional intelligence. This isn't to say that technical skills or intelligence don't matter, they certainly do. But in the grand scheme of things, emotionally intelligent individuals often rise to the top. They're the ones who can navigate complex social networks, build strong relationships, and create a positive, productive work environment. Emotional intelligence also helps with resilience. In a professional setting, challenges and setbacks are inevitable. Emotionally intelligent people are better equipped to handle these situations. They can manage their emotions, stay calm under pressure, and bounce back from adversity. So, as we navigate our professional journeys, it's essential to remember that our EQ is just as important, if not more so, than our IQ. It's a key component of effective leadership, teamwork, and overall success in the workplace. It's clear that emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in our professional success. But what does this look like in practice? Let's unravel this mystery together, starting from number 7. The journey to emotional intelligence is paved with mindful communication, and today we'll be exploring 7 things that emotionally intelligent individuals consciously steer clear of uttering in professional settings. These phrases or remarks may seem inconsequential, but can profoundly impact interpersonal relationships and the work environment. We'll be counting down from 7, shedding light on each point, helping you understand why these are best left unsaid. This is not merely a list, but a guide to enhancing your own emotional intelligence and fostering a more positive and productive atmosphere. So brace yourselves as we embark on this enlightening journey. Before we dive in, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. At number 7, emotionally intelligent people avoid playing the blame game. It's all too easy to point fingers when things go wrong, isn't it? But here's the thing. Emotionally intelligent individuals understand that blame is not a productive strategy. Instead, they focus on taking responsibility for their actions and their part in any situation. Let's consider a scenario. Imagine a project at work that doesn't go as planned. Rather than immediately blaming a colleague or an external factor, an emotionally intelligent person might say, "I see that our project didn't go as planned. I'd like to understand what I could have done differently to influence a better outcome." This approach fosters a culture of accountability and encourages problem-solving rather than fostering resentment and defensiveness. It also shows the willingness to learn from mistakes and use them as stepping stones for growth. So, the next time you're tempted to point fingers, remember the power of accountability. Moving on to number 6, emotionally intelligent people refrain from belittling others. It's a simple yet profound truth. Belittling comments, whether intentional or not, can cause significant harm. They can erode self-esteem, stifle creativity, and create an atmosphere of fear and mistrust. But emotionally intelligent individuals understand this. They know that every person they interact with brings unique value and insights. Instead of reducing others to feel superior, they choose to elevate. They focus on constructive criticism, offering specific, actionable feedback, and are geared toward growth. It's about fostering a culture of respect, where every voice and every idea is valued. So the next time you're tempted to belittle, pause. Consider the impact of your words. Choose to be the person who lifts others and contributes to creating a positive, supportive environment. because that's what emotional intelligence is all about. Remember, everyone has a unique value to bring to the table. We're halfway through our countdown, and what better time to remind you to like and subscribe for more content like this. So far, we've explored the importance of emotional intelligence and the significance of avoiding blame and steering clear of belittling comments in professional settings. It's not just about what we say, but also how we say it. Engage with the video, share your thoughts, and let's keep this stimulating discussion going. Let's continue our countdown with number 5. Number 5, 4, and 3 on our list revolve around positivity, active listening, and open-mindedness. Let's start with positivity. It's not just about being cheerful all the time. It's about maintaining an optimistic outlook, even in challenging situations. Emotionally intelligent individuals understand that a positive attitude can influence their performance and the mood and productivity of those around them. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles and inspiring others to do the same. On to number 4, active listening. It's more than just hearing the words spoken to you. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind those words. Active listening involves giving undivided attention, acknowledging the speaker's thoughts and feelings, and providing thoughtful responses. It's a powerful tool for building trust and rapport, a skill that can be honed with practice. And at number 3, we have open-mindedness. This is the willingness to consider different ideas and perspectives, even if they challenge your own beliefs or assumptions. Emotionally intelligent people understand that everyone has unique experiences and insights to offer. They're not afraid to question their views or to admit when they're wrong. By being open-minded, they foster a culture of inclusivity and mutual respect, where every voice is valued and every idea has the potential to spark innovation. These 3 elements, positivity, active listening, and open-mindedness, are critical facets of emotional intelligence. They're beneficial not just in a professional setting, but also in all aspects of life. They help us to build stronger relationships, to navigate conflicts more effectively, and to adapt to change with resilience and grace. As we can see, emotional intelligence is about much more than managing our emotions. Now, the final 2 points on our list: embracing feedback and continuous learning. These are the 2 crucial elements that genuinely set emotionally intelligent people apart. Let's start with embracing feedback. It's a lot like receiving a gift, isn't it? At times, it may not be what you expected or even wanted, but it's a present nonetheless. It's an opportunity to improve, to grow. Feedback, both positive and negative, can be a powerful tool if we allow it to be. It gives us a mirror to see ourselves as others do, providing us with a perspective we might have otherwise missed. Emotionally intelligent people understand this. They welcome feedback with an open mind and a resilient spirit, transforming criticism into stepping stones towards self-improvement. We are moving on to our final point: continuous learning. The world around us is ever-changing, and so must we. Emotionally intelligent people recognize that learning is a lifelong journey, not a destination. They are not afraid to question, to explore, to seek new knowledge. It's this insatiable curiosity, this thirst for understanding, that propels them forward. They're not just learners, but explorers and adventurers in the vast knowledge landscape. They understand that every experience and interaction is an opportunity to learn something new and grow a little more. These final 2 points, embracing feedback and continuous learning, are not just about professional development. They are about personal growth. They're about becoming the best versions of ourselves, not just in our work, but in our lives. Remember, emotional intelligence isn't about being nice all the time. It's about being real, authentic, and open to growth. It's about understanding our emotions and those of others, and using this understanding to navigate our interactions and relationships. And that brings us to the end of our countdown. So there we have it, the 7 things that emotionally intelligent people do. Over the course of our discussion, we've explored the importance of emotional intelligence in professional settings. We've unearthed how it plays an essential role in fostering effective communication, empathy, and a positive work environment. We started our journey with the 7th point, highlighting the importance of avoiding blame. It's all about taking responsibility for our actions. In doing so, we foster a sense of trust and respect, which is crucial for any professional setting. Next, we moved on to the 6th point, never belittling others. It's about understanding that everyone has their strengths and weaknesses and respecting that, a true mark of emotional intelligence. We then took a small break, didn't we? A pause to remind you all to like and subscribe to the channel. Every bit of support helps us create more content like this. Resuming our exploration, we covered the 5th to 3rd points, emphasizing the power of positivity, active listening, and open-mindedness. Emotional intelligence is about being aware of our emotions and those of others, thereby creating a positive, empathetic environment. And finally, we delved into the top 2 points, embracing feedback and continuous learning. It's about understanding that there's always room for improvement and that every piece of feedback is a step towards growth. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. Remember, these 7 points are not exhaustive. Emotional intelligence is a vast field. There's always more to learn. But these points provide a solid foundation to build upon. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights. Remember, emotional intelligence is a skill, and like any skill, it can be developed and improved over time. Thanks for watching.